I came down here for the 2025 TikTok Awards. Would not believe it. And I've just stayed for another week. What's going on right now? I am in Sydney land. I'm driving and I just thought, you know what? I've been thinking of doing YouTube for a little bit. I asked this really good prompt to ChatGPT last night. It's like, what's something about myself I don't know that I'm not aware of? And it came out with this thing that you're really identity driven and you're not process driven. I'm rambling a bit here, but stay with me. What it explained is some people are process driven, such as KPIs, achieve this thing, I want to go achieve that thing, I want to do 30 calls today. Some people are emotionally driven, which is the majority, based on how they feel. And then another percentage are identity driven. And that's been like, what would the person who...
red light camera ahead.
There's my ways. What would the person who's an elite salesman do right now? Would they be doing calls? And you'd be like, yeah. So that's been identity driven. It's a bit dark, but you can hear my voice. And I realized, god damn, that relates a lot to the things I always say, like becoming the MMA fighter, and then naturally the results follow. And I agree with that. I thought, I want to start YouTube, and instead of going, I want to maybe post once a week or see how that goes, I just go, what would I do? What would Max the YouTuber do right now? And I'm like, he would pull out the camera and start talking to it. I figure this would be a great way for you guys to get to know me better on a more personal level, beyond that of just short little reels. I think there's a lot of value in building trust and building a relationship through this long form stuff, and here I am.
I'm gonna hit Stevie with the filthy bait. Guard into
That was the session. And guys, define as well, I did the whole session in these bad boys. Really enjoying them at the moment. Code Kruger on the website. There'll be a link down below, and grab yourself a pair there. They're really good, especially the rashies. But get a size small. If you're like a medium in a rashie, go smaller, because they're like gym fits. You want them to fit a bit tighter. But besides that, thanks for watching, and on to the next one.